guys, I am back with another Dip Powder Mini. So, today I will be using CNDesigner Dips. So I am using their HEMA free peel base. It is a water-based peel-off base coat. I applied 2 coats of that to my nail and let it thoroughly dry. And so I'm using 3 colors today from CNDesigner Dips, which is a shop on Etsy. I'm using Abyss, Atlantis, and Poseidon. It was sold in a set. There was one other color that I did not use in this mini that came with it. I'm also using CNDesigner Dips Dip Liquids for the very first time. And I've had these liquids, and also, wait a minute, before I get into that, I'm using their clear and CNDesigner Dips Precision Tool. That is a 2-in-1 tool. Has a rhinestone picker on the one end and a precision tool on the other end. And so I'm just kind of getting rid of some of that green in the jar because I want to dip my finger in, and it made quite a little mess there. So this was I've had their liquids for quite some time, and I do like CNDesigner Dips Dip Powders because Corey has a lot of nice pretty glitters and colors, and her powders are very pigmented. And so the directions for the peel base is that if you use peel base, apply dip base, apply 1 layer of dip base and allow that to dry, which I did not do. And so you'll see once I brush off excess dip powder from this finger, I didn't get it all over the nail because it dried relatively fast over the dip powder because I did not apply a layer of base and let that dry before going in with my application. And so I'm also wearing a respirator because these are regular dip liquids, and so I am using my respirator as well. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So I think I said something wrong earlier. You apply your peel base, let that dry, then apply a layer of dip base coat and let that dry, and then start your dip process by applying your dip base, etc. So what did I think of the peel base? Loved it. My nails popped off in 2 days, no problems. I was worried that I wouldn't be able to pop the nails off. They popped themselves off. They started lifting, and I was just able to boom, lift, gone off the nail. Not mad at that at all. So I will be using that peel base again. I was just showing how pigmented the powders are because you could see the green pigment on the dip base. So it's really important that you brush your nail brush or the dip base brush on a lint-free wipe before placing it back into the bottle. Even though I brushed the powder off with the soft bristle toothbrush, because I am using regular dip liquids, it was still pigmented. And so I'm going in with the second color. Look, now listen, y'all know I like blue. That blue was pretty to me, just pretty to me. So, and I applied that to my thumb and my pinky. I applied 2 coats of that, and it was my thumb, the skin on my thumb and pinky were blue, but it did wash off very easy with water. And I'm going in with the glitter. It was a very pretty glitter. I thought it went perfect. Well, it was sold in a set. What am I talking about? I thought it went perfect. It was perfect for this because it was sold in a set. And it was a very nice glitter. Had the green and the blue in there. Easy to apply. Nice and pretty. I'm going in and applying clear to all 5 nails, and then I will activate. Now with the clear, this is her revamped clear. I did a video last year using her original clear, and it was pretty cloudy. This one is significantly better. I like it. And so one thing to note with my middle finger, on the left corner of my nail, a little bit of the glitter would not adhere, and I guess because they're square and they kind of curve down, it was just hard to get a piece of glitter to stick to that area. And that was fine because you really can't see it, not unless you're really examining and looking for it. And so once I apply the clear to all 5 nails, I'm going to use a toothbrush and brush off excess dip powder from the nail before activating. I've done my fountain buffing off camera, and so I'm looking at the instructions for the applying the top coat. And I do have so I'm applying activator to all 5 nails, which is per the instructions. And I guess I should have froze that to see what it said, because I'm looking at this baby screen on my laptop. But anyway, so I'm applying the activator, and then I'm going to wait per the instructions, and then I'm going to go in and apply my first layer of top coat. And I also have 2 little small rhinestones, and I will apply one to my index finger and my ring finger. And so with the top coat, I'm applying in as few strokes as possible, or swipes as possible, across the length and the width of my nail. And then I'm going to wait 60 seconds and go on with the second coat. On the second coat, I'm going to place my rhinestones. And so what do I think of the liquids? I do like the base. It's relatively thin. It dried quick because, again, I applied it on top of peel base, which was fine. I didn't mind at all. Now the top coat, I'm wearing a respirator and I wear glasses. Y'all, I'm sorry, it burnt my eyes. It burnt my eyes. My eyes started watering. I was like, wait a minute. But the thing is, it burnt my eyes, y'all, but the shine was unfreaking real. I thought this had a very nice shine, but it burnt the hell out of my eyes. It just burnt. I was like, oh my God, my eyes are burning. They're burning. But kind of reminds me of Rebel's, because Rebel's dip top coat burned my eyes too. Even with glasses on, I'm not even close to my nails at all. So it burned. But again, nice shine. Can't even be mad at it. Will I use them again? Sure will. And I did for another mani, which I can't get the footage to sync over to my MacBook. But anyway, and it burnt my eyes again, but the shine was great. So anyway, so after that second top coat, the nails dried in, I want to say, under 5 minutes. It dried quick. And so, see, they shiny. They shiny now. Do our other dip top coat shiny? Yes. But for me, you know, my personal opinion, I thought it was just extra shiny to me. So I'm going in with CNDesigner Dips. This is a sample of Sweet Hibiscus Cuticle Oil. Smells really good. And I do like that sample size jar. I guess a lot in a jar for, you know, as a sample. So you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil, massage that in. Guys, like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel because it's free and you like my content. I would appreciate it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.